Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the best places to travel around the world. There are so many amazing destinations to choose from, but I've handpicked some of my favorite places that I think you'll love. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Japan is a country that has it all, from beautiful natural landscapes to cutting-edge technology. Explore Tokyo's bustling streets, visit the serene temples of Kyoto, and enjoy the hot springs in Hakone. You'll fall in love with the unique mix of ancient and modern culture in Japan. Iceland, if you're looking for an adventure, then Iceland is the place for you. This country is home to glaciers, waterfalls, hot springs, and black sand beaches. Take a dip in the Blue Lagoon, go on a glacier hike, or go whale watching and experience Iceland's breathtaking beauty. Italy, from the gorgeous beaches of the Amalfi Coast to the historic city of Rome, Italy is a travel lover's paradise. Enjoy a delicious meal in Tuscany, visit the famous Vatican Museum in Rome, and explore the canals of Venice. You'll be transported back in time as you wander through this country's rich history and culture. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is a tropical paradise that is perfect for those looking to relax and recharge. Spend your days lounging on the beach, exploring the lush rice paddies, or practicing yoga. You'll fall in love with Bali's welcoming locals, delicious food, and breathtaking scenery. New Zealand is a country that is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. From hiking the Milford Track to bungee jumping off the Nevis Bridge, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget about the stunning scenery. You'll be blown away by the country's rolling hills, turquoise lakes, and snow-capped mountains. So, there you have it, 5 of the best places to travel around the world. I hope this list has given you some inspiration for your next adventure. Let me know in the comments which of these destinations is at the top of your travel list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. See you in the next video.